When we're talking about your videos, yeah, how do you actually find out what videos to make? Because it's one thing just shooting a video, but if people are not interested in watching that content, that video will not move. That's why a lot of people's YouTube channels are not growing, because the video is just flat. Nobody's watching the video because people are not interested in that topic. So how do you actually find out, what people want to see? So a tool I use, which I found is very useful to be able to find what people are searching for on YouTube, is a tool called TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is an extension which you can get on the Play Store or your store, and you can also get it on the Chrome as an extension, so that you can download that and then you can search and type in any video that you want to do. So that will give you the number one, the titles of the videos of what people are searching for, and it will also tell you how to tag your videos as well. So TubeBuddy, since I started using it, my videos have, the watch time has improved, and also my subscribers have improved as well. So if you want to sign up for TubeBuddy, the link is down below. This is an affiliate link, I must let you know. So you can, I do get paid a commission for recommending this product to you, but I found this is very, very useful. TubeBuddy is very useful in getting number one, tags, in getting number two, titles for my videos. So number one, you have to have a video. As for YouTube, the longer the better, preferably about 10 minutes long video, because they need to put ads on the video. If the video is too short, you will not be able to earn, because they won't be able to put enough ads on the video. In YouTube, you earn money when people watch the ads. So please, guys, you're watching this video, do not, please, I repeat, do not skip the ads. Please, if you want to support me in what I do, watch the ads. Thank you so much. And also subscribe to my channel and share, and also hit the notification bell as well. So that's aside. So long videos do better on YouTube, and of course on other platforms such as TikTok. The shorter the better. TikTok and also Instagram Reels are short videos that do better on those platforms. So those are the kind of videos you need to make. So videos that are interesting for people to watch, and also videos that are educative for people to watch, those do quite well. So you can have informative videos, you can have videos about what people selling stuff, you can have videos about travel. There's all sorts of things you can do with videos, and videos is the way forward. Videos is just what it is now. So with your videos, you can, as I said before, repurpose the content on those videos. So you can, with that video, you can also make the content into a blog, into the content into a podcast, and the content can also be made into an advertisement. The Google Ads, another one. Google Ads, you can make your video into an advert for Google, or into an advert for Twitter or Facebook. So you can repurpose your content in various ways. So making one video is one thing, but also maximizing that content so that the content doesn't just stop there. That is what we are all about today. So please, as I said before, if you have any other ways in which you want to maximize your content, if you know anything else, let me know, because we are sharing knowledge here. So social media content. So in social media, it's good to start off with doing videos like this. Do your video about whatever topic you talk about. Have your videos done. And when you have done your video, from that video you can extract the audio content from that video that you have done. You can extract the audio. For instance, there are softwares, there's apps in which you can extract the audios, that they're available on the App Store and also on your store for Play Store. So you can extract the sound. Even for Facebook, any video you have put on Facebook, you can also extract the sound from it too. There's also Facebook downloaders, which you can take the video down from Facebook and extract the video too. So you can extract that video and extract the audio from the video. And when you got the audio extracted, you can also use that audio to become a podcast. So podcast, you can host your podcast for free on anchor.com. You can host your podcast for free on anchor.com, and then you can also use that uh, audio that you have. You can also use it for other things. You put in short bits so you can send those out to your fans or your followers on your social media handles or on your um, WhatsApp. You can also send those short clips out to your friends. So that's another way of using your audios too. So from that audio, you now can get it written down. The written word is very, very powerful. So you can transcribe it. So you can use that audio, you can transcribe it into written form. So the written form, when you have the written form done, you can now use that for your blog, you can use it for your ebook, and you can also use that written part of content, to form your books. If you're into the religious field, you can use it for your books as well, and you can also use it to put that on LinkedIn. You can put it on LinkedIn as a article on LinkedIn. So that's a way of maximizing your written content. You can also chop bits of it to make your quotes. So little bits of catchy phrases that you said during the video, you can use it for your quotations, and you can put them on your pictures, and the pictures can be shared on Facebook. They can also be shared on Instagram as well. With those pictures too, you can now use those pictures to make little reels of your Instagram reels. So that's your Instagram reels, and also the Facebook. I saw Facebook reels today as well. Facebook reels. You can use those pictures and the audios to make your Facebook reels as well. So that's one way in which you can use your content. Once one video, a long enough video, not just a 3-minute video, a long enough video can be used to make all these various type of content. So that's the way of maximizing the amount of content that you put out there. You can maximize that content. And also with those short videos too, you can also put them on TikTok as well. As what I said before, TikTok is the rage right now. You can put those short audios on your TikTok as well. So that TikTok video, you can use it also for your you can also send that out please on your YouTube. And also, have I forgotten YouTube? For that video, you can use that a short form of the video to make your shorts, YouTube shorts. You can use that on YouTube to make a YouTube shorts. So that's another way of maximizing just one piece of content into so many different ways. So yes, if you have struggled with coming up with a lot of content, please just reach out to me so we can find out how we can help you to maximize your content. And if you know of any other way in which you can maximize your content, your reach, so let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to hear from you. So this is me again, and I hope you do find this video very interesting. And also, if you comment on this video, I'm going to give a giveaway to people that comment on my videos. So the people that comment most on my videos, I'll be giving them a prize, which may be a cash prize. Yes, it may be a cash prize if you comment. If I see your name commenting on my video, something a sensible comment, so I might give you a cash prize if you comment sensibly on this video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for commenting on my video, and thank you for also sharing the video. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now, and do have a great day. Bye.